Hi everyone, this is KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about 3 Korean words. Yogi, Jogi, Kogi. Welcome to another video at KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyoung. If this is your first time and you want to improve your Korean language and want to learn more about Korean culture, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. But first, I'd like to shout out one person from the last video's comment, Music Vibes Lyrics. Thank you so much for your support and enjoying the content in this channel. If you also want your comment to be featured in the future videos, all you have to do is just comment down below because I'm gonna pick one person to shout out for each video. Now let's get into our today's topic. What is Yogi, Jogi, and Kogi? And I'm also going to give you examples using each word. Simple homework at the end of the video, so keep on watching. Simply, Yogi is here, Jogi is there, and Kogi is there as well.
What?
The confusing part about these words, Jogi and Kogi have the same meanings in English. But I'm gonna break it down how to distinguish those two words. But let's start with Yogi, which is here, and let's find out how to use this word with examples. 여기로 오세요. Please come here. 여기로 오세요. So I'm directing the listener to come to my side. 여기로 오세요. 여기 is here. 로 is towards. I made a video about this content. If you want to check it out, then watch the video as well. O is from 오다, which is to come. 세요, please. 여기로 오세요. Please come towards here. 여기로 오세요. 여기에 거미가 있어요. There is a spider here. 여기 here. A is location particle. 거미 is spider. 가 subject particle. 있어요. There is. This is from a verb 있다. This verb can have many different meanings too. If you want to learn more about this verb, please check out this video as well. So there is a spider here. 여기에 거미가 있어요. 난 여기가 좋아. I like it here. 난 is from 나 with and, which is subject particle, which is I. This is in casual speech. 여기, here. 가, subject particle, 좋아. This is from a verb 좋다. This verb is interpreted as like. But for the grammatical reason, it's better to think to be good because 좋다 doesn't allow an object noun. That's why you're gonna see two subject particles in this one phrase. 난 여기가 좋아. I like it here or I like here. So now the next word. 저기. So as you can hear what I'm saying, 저기. I almost dragged the first syllable sound. So normally Korean people, when they want to emphasize how far it is, we're gonna drag the sound. 저기. There. 저기. There. 저기 is there. It's the location that you can see, but far from both speaker and a listener. So you're pointing it somewhere. Do you see there? 저기 보여요? Do you see there? 저기 is there. 보이다 verb, to be seen. But you can interpret it as to see here. 저기 보여요? Do you see there? 저기 가볼까요? Shall we go there? 저기 there. 가 is from 가다 verb to go. Even though it may look the same, but 가 is actually conjugated here because of 보다 after. 보다, which is to see. But when it's used with another verb, it means try. So 가보다 becomes try to go there. 알까요? That is shall as suggestion. 저기 가볼까요? Shall we go there? As in, shall we check it out there? 저기에 사람들이 많아요. There are many people over there. 저기에, I just translate it as over there because it's far location, so you may interpret it as over there. 저기에, there location particle, 사람들. 사람 is person, 들 is plural. 사람들 becomes people. 이 subject particle 많아요. This is from a verb 많다. To be a lot. So you can think of it as there are a lot of people over there. 저기에 사람들이 많아요. So now let's get into the third word, 거기. So like I mentioned earlier, 거기 is the same meaning as 저기, which is there. But biggest distinction between these verbs are whether you can see the place or not. 저기 is the place that you can see, but far from you. But 거기 is the place that you cannot see. So both speaker and the listener know the place. So you're gonna interpret it as that place that both know of. 거기 어땠어? How was it there? 거기 is there as in the place. We cannot see but we know which place we're talking about. 거기, there. 어땠어? 어땠어 is from 어떻다 verb, to be, how. So 어땠어, this is past tense, so how plus was. 거기 어땠어? How was it there? 거긴 너무 더워요. 거긴 is actually 거기 plus n, which is subject particle, like I mentioned, that place, there, that we know of, but we cannot see. 너무, very, 더워요. It's from a verb 덥다, which is to be hot. 거긴 너무 더워요. That place is really hot. 거기에 꼭 가고 싶어요. I definitely want to go there. 거기, which is there, 꼭, definitely. 가 is from a verb 가다, to go. 고 싶다. When the verb root is used with 고 싶다, this means want to. 거기에 꼭 가고 싶어요. I definitely want to go there. So let's recap about what we studied today. 여기 is here. This is a place that is close to you. And 저기 is there, which is far from both speaker and the listener, but you can see that place. And 거기 is also there, which is far from both speaker and the listener, but you cannot see it, but you know what place you're talking about. So here is the homework today. The first sentence you can make with here is the best. Second one you can use with 저기, it's bright over there. And then the third one you can use with 거기, that place is fun. So leave comment down below for your answers to these questions. But if you want to make your own examples, please feel free to do so. If you enjoyed this video today and it was helpful to you, please give it a like and share this video with your friends and families. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.